Okay. So basically today I will give you the problem statements to work on this internship. First is course, uh, basically 3D, so basic sound and music engineering course needs to be converted as a book. So the course book basically will have following things into the consideration. Like first thing we need to uh, see is chapter wise content. Now, in that we have our syllabus already defined. So, as per syllabus, you will get one question at a time, and then you have to prepare its answer, and that answer must include one diagram. So, this diagram should be as relevant to the question as possible, and it should be original, preferably original, maybe drawn in Paint or PowerPoint. But if not, then I will tell you the trick how to get those diagrams from the internet and still use it using something called as Photoshop. So following skills are required from the students. First is internet surfing, which you already do. Then Photoshop, obviously. Then in case you want to make the diagrams on your own, then any diagram making software. So now this software could be AutoCAD or PowerPoint. Any 3D modeling software like SolidWorks will also do, or simple Paint also. But I would prefer you learn some of these software. So basically, this first part is you have to obviously have a knowledge in that particular topic. So this particular internship is about book. So we have to write a book of sound and music engineering, and in which we have to generate all the original contents. Now, how to generate the original contents? First thing, you can do the internet search. Like, let's say, for example, I have asked you what are the different types of sound cards. It's the question that is given to you. You have to do an internet search, find all the information about different sound cards, frame your answer, read about them on Wikipedia, then take a break. After break, you can directly sit on the PC, disconnect your internet, and start typing the answer. That way, you will definitely get the original content if you are not connected to the net and everything is coming from your mind. Those who are very much habituated of writing it on a pen and paper, they can have a lunch break, and after that, they can write the answer whatever they have read before the lunch. So, I don't want any influence of whatever you read on your writing. So, that's why original writing is must. So preferably, those who are good with technical writing, they should go for this particular. Now, why particular thing is in sound and music engineering internship is basically people will not have all the skills with music, so they can still do this internship based on whatever skill they fit in, and they can look into that, and then they can tell me they want to build a book. So basically question answer format, you can do 1 day per question, and then prepare its answer and write it and send it to me. So basically book में कैसे टॉपिक 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 होता है, ऐसे छोटे छोटे टॉपिक हम देंगे. अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होंगे कि व्हाट इज 5.1 सराउंड साउंड सिस्टम, तो उसके लिए आप बोलोगे कि सर इसका एक प्रील्यूड क्वेश्चन भी लगेगा, which is what is 2.1 system, or what is a stereo system, or what is a mono system, and so on. So basically the next question can be from your research, or I will float a separate question as per the topic requirement. So when you are searching for answer of the first question, you might end up getting the second question, and that you have to do. तो बेसिकली एक लॉजिकल लिंक होना चाहिए ना, कि पहले मोनो सिग्नल एक्सप्लेन किया, फिर स्टीरियो सिग्नल, फिर 2.1 सिग्नल, एंड सो ऑन. So this is how the book is gonna get completed. It's lot of work, and 40 hours of internship will only produce 40 questions at max. it might be even less than 40. Yeah, but it depends all on what is the difficulty level of the question you got. Second is uh, original video lecture series. So this lecture series is gonna go on Udemy, where I am the official instructor, or even Udacity, and then edX and all other platforms are there. But it can be on YouTube also, but it depends on the content generator's ability. So if the lecture is very good and your lecture series is very good, we will put this entire lectures onto the sellable platform. So first two will result into the internship amounts also, but not right now. As soon as our first copy maybe gets sold onto the Amazon, and then we will start writing the royalty, then only the internship will get paid. Till that point, we have to assume that it's a zero income internship. So basically, in case if we make profit, it will get shared between you. But if we don't get anything, we will not receive anything. So it's like a long-term effort. Book chapter, even with Udemy or Udacity or anywhere, they will put your lecture as a category. We call them tier 0 to tier 19 category. Tier 0 is where we give out the free lectures to the students. It's not so good, and it's not so long. But tier 1 onwards, tier 1 it's I guess 200 rupees course, and tier 19 uh,
हो
200.
सामान घेऊन हो.
So I guess somebody has unmuted himself. Okay. Okay. Fine. So original video lecture series will involve following skill sets. First is you should able to face the camera. So public speaking ability you should have. Second is excellent presentations. Third thing is ability to do internet search and content generation basically. Now here I will help you with whatever content we want to generate. So content generation, then next is a background music track. So there is a lot of background music involved here. So those who are good with creating their own sounds, they can take a part into that. Then video editing. So you will learn what are the different video editing tools, how to edit them, how to remove the pauses, all the blurbs that we get during the recording, any mistakes, everything has to be edited and perfect. How to put overlay caption and so on. So that is a part two of this internship. Third part is basically sound analysis. So here in this particular work, we have to analyze the sounds using programming. You can use MATLAB or Python for that. For example, what is the effect of pronunciation of Indian mantras? Such as Om, or maybe some shloks, whatever your parents taught you or something like. So basically music, what we call music therapy, can have medication through music. So we call relaxing sounds or sound of water and so many things. So basically this particular internship is a part of a research paper that we are going to put soon, but you can contribute into this particular work. So this is sound analysis project. Last is music generation. we need to create our own album. Here we need people who can create sound or who can play instruments, or one who can sing. Okay, so this is the album generation or music generation track. Uh, so it's not mandatory. Whichever skill you fall into, you can let me know which work we would like to start with. Even there are editing and mixing and post processing. So all these things needs to be done here. Now these are the four things that we will start with. If you have anything on your mind, you can tell me. Uh, I will also stop recording, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me.